mga batang yan! Hindi naman yung binastos ang ating school! Sige! Kailangan yung bansahin mo naman! Mothers of the year, I'm sure this will be the last. I am going to let your sons, these heroes of hormone and chaos, pass junior year. But only if these uncontrollable brats do not return to the school ever!
Ay ako! Nasa honor roll si Tonto nung grade 2 siya dito! Wala pang appeal process, another's appeal.
Mrs. Moore, this is not an appealable offense. This is a mercy clause.
Saan na natin sila i-enroll? May tatanda pa ba ng 4th year transferee? Ang hirap makahanap ng prestigious school with aircon sa 4th year. You'll be hearing from our lawyer.
Mrs. Lauchenzo, mothers, I am going to give you two choices. One, ipapasa namin ang mga anak ninyo kung hindi na sila babalik dito sa 4th year. Or, lagpak na, kick out pa, take your pick! This is not my problem anymore. This is your problem anymore. And if you insist on keeping your boys here in the school, they will be expelled immediately. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, mothers. But it is over between your sons and St. Aurelio High School. Now, let me put it in language your sons will understand. Good pare chong game over! Magka-dance class pa!
Toby! Tonton! Eddie! Gilbert! Arnel! Gilbert naman! Ang tagal-tagal na natin hindi kumakain sa Cindy's para nang maipasok ka na sa exclusive school na yan! Kung saan-saan ako naghanap ng scholarship, tapos sa dulo, supot pa rin! Amo na yung itsura ko, oh! Mapapagin ka ako sa konsepisyon ko sa'yo! Simula na dumating ka dito sa Maynila, galing Bacolod, puro problema ng dala mo! Hindi ka naman artista kapareho ko, pero ang dami mong eksena! Addie! Am I the reason why this is happening to you? Sabi sa Parenting in the 21st Century by Susan Mackinson. Parents, children of parents who are separated will fully misbehave. This is why they show their resentment and their rebellion against their parents. Kaya ka ba nagkakaganyan? Or dahil hindi ka na binibisita ng daddy mo? Ikaw lang ang sumira sa tradisyon ng pag-ibig ng daddy mo, Arnel. Imagine, mula sa lolo ng lolo ng lolo mo, sa lolo ng lolo mo, sa lolo mo, sa kanulolohan mo. They all graduated from the same school. Oh, Arnel, I don't know why, but you simply always get me so upset. Bumaba ka nga dito. Lea, nung sinabi ko sa yung take your time, hindi ko sinabing 3 years ka sa 3rd year. At ngayon, makikick out pa. Anya mga rude. Talaga bang na-baby kita masyado? Ano, Gilbert? Wala ka bang sasabihin? Ay, basta. Pagkatapos ang shoot ko, ihahanap kita ng school na lilipatan mo. Kung may tatanggap ka sa'yo, ha? O ano na? Toby! Hello, Toby! Earth to Toby! O ayan ka na naman, kunwari busy. Tanggalin mo kaya yung battery ng Walkman mo, baka sakali marinig mo ako. Tonton! Please! Arnel, speak up. Please, say something!
Something.
Gilbert, wala rin ka ba dito? Gilbert!
like we're kids. Long, long distance love affair. Whoa, I can't find you anywhere. Whoa, I call you on the telephone.
Call you on the telephone.
But you never home.
Oh,
I gotta get a message to you. Wanna tell you what I'm going through. Oh, long, long distance love affair.
Say something! You're not a child anymore. Please, talk to me properly.
Ang laki-laki mo na, pero ganyan ka. Toby, I don't have all day. Hindi ka na yung white belt, pero sa karate, ipakita mo nga na may natutunan ka. Speak up! Man up!
man up. Wala na naman mapagkilitan. They're like that naman kapag nakapag-break time sila sa pagiging busy.